Hi, I'm Irvin Mayamisol. I'm gonna do the cup song on Pitch Perfect, When I'm Gone by Anna Cedric. Here we go. I'm gonna take it from the long way round to bottle whiskey put away. And I sure like some sweet company, and I'm willing tomorrow what they say. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my head, you're gonna miss me everywhere, but you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I'm gonna take you from the long way round to bottom it is to view. It goes like, it goes shivers, it goes vibes, it goes shivers, and sure will be better than you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my head, you're gonna miss me talk now. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my wall, you're gonna miss me on the top. Whoa, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Now, if you want to do the tutorial, you can press, I think, that one. There is written tutorial there. Now, you can subscribe my channel by pressing that one, and you can like my videos there in Irvin May Sweet Irvin Amisol. There, it's there at your TV screens or your laptop screens or computer screens or the YouTube screens. I'm just kidding. Now press this one. Hello. Subscribe to more channel. Bye bye.